In any kitchen, the first line of defense against grease and smoke isn't deep in the duct. It's right here in the hood. Today we're going inside the Baffle filter to see exactly how its design captures grease and keeps the air and your ducts cleaner and safer. Hot cooking releases a cloud of hot air loaded with fine oil droplets and aerosols. If those droplets reach the ductwork, they can accumulate, restrict the airflow, and in worst case, they can cause a fire. A baffle filter is a stack of interleaved angled metal blades that form a serpentine path for the airflow. There's no filter cloth or pad, it's simply just metal baffles. Instead, the geometry forces the air to repeatedly change direction. That geometry is the filter. Here's the key principle: inertial impaction. Air is light and quite agile. It follows and it turns. And on the other hand, the droplets have mass and momentum. When the flow takes a sharp bend at the baffle, many droplets just can't follow the curve. They overshoot, collide with the metal surface, and stick. After impact, the droplets coalesce, meaning the smaller droplets merge into larger ones, and gravity takes over. The larger drops drain along the blade into collection channels, then down to the hood's grease tray. The air continues on with much less grease. One bend captures a portion of the droplets, multiple bends compound the effect. Each turn offers a fresh opportunity for inertial impaction and coalescence, which boosts overall capture efficiency across a wide range of droplet sizes, typical of any smoke and steam when you cook. One thing to mention is that any filter adds a static pressure. Baffle filters are engineered to keep that pressure drop modest while still forcing enough direction to change for impaction. The bend in each baffle has to be in the sweet spot. If it turns too gentle, the droplets will just ride the airflow and slip through. If it's too sharp, the airflow will choke, making the noise go up, and then the grease can fold back into the airstream. With the angle being just right and the spacing that goes with it, it makes the air zig and then zag fast enough that the grease can't keep up. The droplets will slam into the metal, merge, and then drain into the grease tray. Orientation of the baffle filters is critical. The baffle filters must be installed vertically with the drain side down, and installed tight with no gaps. That preserves the curve and path that keeps drainage working perfectly. As grease loads up, pressure drops, and efficiency can fall. Regular cleaning of at least once a month restores that performance. All of our baffle filters are dishwasher safe, but you can also use a good degreaser. But avoid bending the blades and inspect the gaskets and handles. But also, just a heads up, yes, we do say once a month, but depending on your style of cooking, they might need more than once. But after that, reinstall them fully seated to maintain an unbroken seal across the face of the hood. So that's the secret. It's simple geometry, not fabric. By forcing those quick direction changes, baffle filters use physics to capture grease, drain it safely, and deliver clean air to your duct and your fan. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. If you're still looking around or shopping for ranges, please go visit us at ProLineRanges.com, and happy cooking.